Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at kind of a sort of a weird knife. I mean, it's not exactly that weird, it's just a little unusual. What this knife is this is a Wenger SwissBuck. And the SwissBuck knives they were made with a partnership between Wenger and Buck Knives, and this one, it has the tools of the classic Swiss Army knife, the small ones. It has the knife blade, and it has the nail file, and like so. And it has the tweezers. I'm sorry, not tweezers. Scissors. It has the scissors. And for this one, it has the traditional Wenger scissors with the lever instead of the spring. And it also has toothpick. I get the toothpick out. I had trouble with this before with another knife. Tweezers and toothpick. I did. I had this exact same problem before. I'm wondering if that is why I'm wondering if that's why... Well, I mean, I guess Victorinox already had their setup. But that's weird that this is the second time this has happened. I wonder if, as the knives get older, it just sort of... this becomes an issue. Anyway. And it also has the toothpick. That's interesting. That's something that I hadn't really run into with the Wenger, or in this case, the SwissBuck knives. Now, the thing that makes this knife a little weird, and I don't know if you can really tell without anything to compare it to, but this is a 58mm knife, the traditional Victorinox size. This is a 65mm Wenger knife, and this is the SwissBuck, and the SwissBuck is 75mm. So this particular one, it's called the PocketMate. You may also see it listed as a, and I'm going to probably mispronounce it, Delemont, D-E-L-E-M-O-N-T, Delemont. And this one, there is a SwissBuck version. There's a SwissBuck knife that's the version of this, that's the 65mm version, that has a key ring. This one also doesn't have a key ring. And let me see if I have... Haha! Here we go. Hold on a sec. I thought I had one within reach. Here's the smaller, the traditional size version. And so these two are the same. They have the same tool set with the exception of the key ring, only this one's a little bit larger. Now there's something interesting about the SwissBucks that I've noticed when I've been looking at the various SwissBucks online. This little logo right here, the Buck logo, it happened with this small one. It's on both sides, and apparently it seems to come off. Like maybe it's kind of like a metallic sticker. And if you look at this one, you can see, hopefully is that clear? You can see that it kind of wears. You can see on that one a little more, but the little logo tends to wear not so well. So anyway, there's also a white one of these. This is a Legend? I think this is a Legend. And this is the PocketMate. I think that's called a Legend. Anyway, you can double check that. I'll include a link in the description to the Swiss Army Knife wiki page about this if you want to find out more information. Anyway, if you have any questions or you have any suggestions for any knives you think I should take a look at, please let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, Please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.